Hi everyone, Tuesday again, and today we'll make a little hearts. I made some earrings just with a simple little heart. I know it's not Valentine's Day yet, but these are always popular. I do art festivals, art shows, and the heart jewelry always on high demand, I guess. And there is several designs where I put my heart in. Like here is the one goes right away in the ear hook, ear wire, and then you can attach your crystals and anything you want. This is like glass long bead, or you can put your hearts at the end of the design, just like this one. And you can check also my other videos where I do all kinds of links, so you can use any links like this, links like these guys. This is like just rolled here. I have also pendant with a bigger heart and one labradorite inside. So let's make some hearts today. So here is some leftover wires I have from different projects. For the heart, for the earrings, you don't need much wire. You will need probably like 1.5 to 2 inches long. And probably if you like thicker, you can. I will use the thinner wire if possible, because I like when the earrings are very light. So let me see, I will cut 1 inch and maybe 3/4. This also depends on how big your heart you want it to make. So there is a little tiny piece, and all we have to do, make it a little so that's what we have. And I will use my round nose pliers. If you have them marked, I will use my mark. So start rolling both sides. And what I always do, I will cut a little piece here, also from both, because I don't like P shape. I like nice round. And we're going back. And just, if one side is longer than the other, just chop a little bit. This heart looks funny. But I do like organic stuff, so my jewelry never perfect. So we have a heart, and I like to hammer it. So I do hammer, I will hammer only sort of like here, and then at the other side also only one corner here. So this bench always makes so much noises, but it's a lightly tapping. And now we will need 24 gauge to add together, because we want to join two parts together with a little something space between, so you can add any jump rings and make jewelry from that. So what I do, I have here 24 gauge, and I will just start it from one side. I will make probably like 2-3 wraps. 1, 2, 3. Got that. So now I will measure around something, so it will be my guide for the size of the, okay, and then you do the same wraps on the other side, same amount. If you have 3, you can do 3. You have 4 or 2, any numbers you add. So we have 1, 2, 3. It's very quick and short tutorial, but you can make these and add it to your bracelets as a charms. You can also incorporate them in the bracelets, also create different necklaces. And you're ready. Just the point is to nicely tuck your wire so it will not catch on anything. And that's my quick tutorial for today. So same heart, but you can use a larger, like thicker wire and make larger shape. And you can use any beads inside. In this one I use torch, and I just finish the ends with the torch before I make the shape, and then I will tie it here and add it one gem. You can use a little pearl, you can make heart bigger than that, and it's sort of like a simple jewelry. It's not complicated. I think we have one video about with the crystals where I made these three small pieces of wire around, but this is same concept, except you just make them longer and tweak them each to the other side. I feel like it's nice and looking very unique. I hope guys you will like this tutorial too. Please leave a comment below. I know it's very short, but just I thought this could be useful for tons of different jewelry you design with the hearts. I just polished my bracelets, and I thought I can also sometimes will space it up with little hearts. I can put the little hearts, or maybe use a jump ring between, and then make like a charm bracelet. That will be cool to have in those hearts as a charms. People like charms bracelets. Yeah, this is the small idea about hearts. Hope you guys like it. I will see you next Tuesday. Happy wire wrapping. Bye guys.